So guys, tonight I'm going to show you one of the night markets in Bangkok. It's a beautiful place. They have a lot of people here. The name is Chinatown Bangkok. And in the night, it is one of the busiest places here. And if you are in Bangkok and you want to get a place where you're going to meet a lot of foreigners, you're going to have a lot of food, this place is for you. If you are a night market person, this place is for you. So let's move around and see. Now where I'm coming from is Wat Mongkong Mrt. That is what I used to get here. So if you are in this main town, you want to move to Chinatown without a taxi, you can use MRT. You ask of MRT Wat Mongkong and they will get you. When you get to MRT Wat Mongkong, use the exit 1 and there is a lane that leads you straight to the Chinatown main street. So where I am now is a junction that leads to Chinatown main street, and people are still enjoying themselves here. So let's turn around the camera and watch how people are enjoying food and drinks. Okay. So guys, this is a road that leads to Chinatown, and even this place is not easy. And as you can see, the designs and the symbols really show you are in Chinatown. So they have food. So they do massage here. Cheap massage. You can find cheap massage in Chinatown. 150 bahts foot massage. It's only Chinatown that you can get this. Let's go around and turn back. So as the barricade that I was talking about, yeah, because they know that if they don't do this, people will take over the road. So they are putting this place. So you guys should walk here while the drivers are also using the road. It's really a Thai massage. So Thai massage, 30 minutes, 1 hour. เท่าไหร่อ่ะ 1 hour? 200. Ooh. Only foot massage?
1 hour 200 200 baht.
Foot massage. So guys, yeah, if you want cheap massage, especially the foot massage, so this is the cheapest, this is the cheapest foot massage.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. This is the cheapest foot massage, and the whole massage thing, this is the cheapest you can get in Bangkok. And they do the same work, right? Yeah.
Thank you.
So if you want to massage, woo, one foot massage, you can try and get here, and you're gonna enjoy yourself. So that's the place. So this is a busy road. A lot of tourists and a lot of food vendors are also available. So let me take the other side. And the massages are everywhere. And because, do you know the reason why they are holding these things? It's because their shops are, because I've done foot massage here, their shops are really inside some of the buildings. So when they stay there, they are not going to get customers, right? So they come on the roadside, they have placards, they show it. If you like it anyway, all of them, they are charging the same price. But then I guess it depends on what you want. I have tried it one time and I enjoyed it. And they are huge. So if you want to enjoy lobsters, you can come around.
Hello, air conditioner inside.
Air condition. If you are feeling hot, you can get inside. Oh, sorry. Ooh. So business is booming. Business is booming. It's weekend and like today is Saturday, so a lot of people are out. They are having fun. Ice cream. So guys, this is what they have here. Classic coconut, super coconut, and mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice coconut. Anyway. Okay. That's peanuts. Oh, okay. So that's it. Oh, nice. Okay, can I get a place to sit? All kinds of Thai food. You can get them here. I went to Wat Mongkong in the afternoon. So I ate there. I'm already full. I don't think I'm ready to eat. I don't think I'm ready to eat again. Anyway, the night is still young. The night is still young. So let's see. Maybe I might get. People are going to eat all this seafood. This place is amazing. I also add the location in the description. So if you are in Bangkok and you want to come to Chinatown, you can use that description to get here. Yeah, it is. Yes, someone is complaining that the place is very cloudy. It is really cloudy. It's a lot of people. They have fruit drinks too. Hey, sorry. Oh, well, let me check this part and see. What is the road? Oh, Thailand Yaowarat. Thailand Yaowarat Road. Yeah, so this is a Hotel Royal Bangkok. So if you wanted to live around this place, you can. Yummy.
Mango, pineapple, mango, sticky rice.
Chinatown is a very busy place. So this is the hotel I was talking about. Hotel Royal Bangkok. If you want to stay around this place, You can just book online, and then oh, sorry. You can book online, and then so when you are here, I guess you're not going to go anywhere, especially in the evening. You just stay here and enjoy the food. People are eating. Most of them are foreigners. This is amazing. I'm happy when I see people like enjoying themselves, talking, and not staying inside. I'm kind of when I'm at this place, I just feel happy. That's me. I know some people would like to stay indoors, and then maybe watch TV or listen to music. I like listening to music though, and then watching movies. But I'm also happy when I see people, a lot of people having fun, enjoying themselves. Yeah, so I'm kind of here and there. If the place would make me happy, that's it. I'm there. Just catch me. So we have some ladies here enjoying yummy. Woo, the place is choked, guys. Oh my. So guys, this is Chinatown. If you are in Bangkok, try and add this place to your place of activities. Okay, anyway, we have a performer here. So let's see if we can record some. So in Bangkok, if you do not want to go, I always say in my videos, if you want to be outside just to have fun, you can, yeah. So mostly there are a lot of street performers. They are here when you feel their talent, you think that they are good and enjoying the music, you can give them something. So look at this one. Yeah, people have given her a lot of money. Anyway, even if you don't, you can scan too. So she made business. If you don't want to, if you don't have money, you can also scan. If you don't have cash, you can scan. Sure, she's ready for anything. She mean business, guys. Yeah, she's not joking. If you don't have cash, in Thailand, some people don't have, they don't put cash in their pockets. So they use only bank apps to scan. So if you want to scan, here. She's ready for it. She's not joking. When I said it, she was laughing. I'm like, yeah, you're not joking because you are really ready to take the money. Since you have printed your QR code. What's the time? I have to check the time because I want to go and do 30 minutes foot massage. Yeah. These lobsters, guys. I've never tried it before. It's Chinatown. A lot of lights everywhere. People are also enjoying the food. Food is, yeah. Oh, sorry. What is that?
Alright, and then this one, before we go, last one here, the classic one, the one that you see everywhere in Thailand. This one is I think you know this one, right? Everybody like trying to take a picture.
Sorry. It's crazy. They have 7-Eleven shops here too. So if you want to buy anything from 7-Eleven shop, they are also available on the road. Then this is the MRT station. Yeah, so this is where I came from the first time. So this is 360. I'm back to where I started the journey. So guys, this is Chinatown. Have you ever seen this before? They said it's chestnuts. It's crazy. I don't know how. Yep. So guys, this is where I'm going to end tonight's video. This is Chinatown, Yaowarat Road, and if you are in Bangkok and you want to have a night market to chill, to meet a lot of foreigners, this is where you have to be. Yeah, and then if you're also coming to Bangkok and you want a place to be, this is it, Chinatown. You can use the MRT to get here, or you can come here by taxi. If today is your first time of watching my video, please like and don't forget to subscribe. You can also share for other people to see. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.